Welcome to Carpet eBay. My name is Kate, and I would like to take you on a journey to Ardakan and show you the culture and how the carpets are produced there.
The western edge of the Great Desert, Dashti Kavir, in the Yazd province in central Iran, lies the town of Ardakan. The word Ardakan in Persian means holy or clean place. It has a population of just over 50,000 and is the second major city of the Yazd province. It is a typical desert town with a hot summer climate and cold winters. The buildings are mainly built of sun-dried mud or clay, with characteristic wind towers which ventilate the houses. Mosque domes and minarets tower high above the low buildings and their narrow alleys. Founded during the 12th century, the town has many historical buildings and monuments. For example, the Grand Mosque of Ardakan, Zirde Mosque, and the Teki Bazaar. The region was one of the Zoroastrian centres in Iran, and there are numerous holy sites nearby. The most important shrine nearby is Pir Sabz Chekchek. It is also famous for the Ardakan rugs made here. Carpet weaving in Ardakan is a large industry and is normally undertaken in large studios or workshops. Large vertical looms stand in lines where it is possible to see several weavers sitting side by side, chatting or singing whilst working. The weavers use 3 simple tools: a knife with the hook on the end, a pair of scissors, and a heavy comb. From the top of the loom, they hang the different colours of yarn needed, and the design they must follow is placed before them. The weaver takes a piece of the yarn, threads it around 2 warp threads, tightens it, and cuts off the excess. This process continues until the entire line of knots is completed. Then the weaver threads 2 pieces of weft thread through the warp, after which the weaver uses the heavy comb to compact the weft and the knots down tightly to keep everything in place. This process is continued, knot after knot, row after row, for months at a time. A skilled weaver can do as many as 8,000 knots per day. Once the carpet is finished, it is cut down from the loom, and the warp threads are tied together to form the fringe of the carpet. The edges are trimmed, and the carpet is washed and laid out in the sun to dry, before it is taken to the bazaar to be sold. Ardakan rugs are reminiscent of the more famous rugs from nearby Kashan, with similar patterns, colours and designs. The pattern usually consists of a large central medallion surrounded by flowers, arabesques, palm tree leaves and garlands. The primary colours used range from beige to red and blue. They are decorative and durable. They are usually woven in larger sizes and fit well in dining areas.
Carpet eBay hopes you had a great journey to Ardakan. Welcome back.